Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring you have admin access. This prevents permission errors. Once ready, open Settings, press Start and type Settings, or use Win+I on Windows or open System Preferences on Mac OS. Next, navigate directly to Appearance or Personalization. These panels host themes and default options. Make sure to pause at this screen. You will switch system-level defaults rather than an app theme. That way you change colors, accents, and system icons consistently across all accounts when applicable. You now pick the theme to make default. Click a built-in option or import a downloaded theme file on Windows use. Theme or Desk Theme Epic on Mac OS. Add a desktop picture and accent choices. Once selected, customize accent color, dark versus light mode, and tweak wallpaper or high contrast options for accessibility. Preview the result in System UI and native apps to ensure consistency. If an app looks off, make sure it follows system theme instead of its own override before proceeding. You finish by applying and saving the theme. Click Set as Default or Save Theme and export the file for backup if desired. Once applied, sign out or restart so all shells and services load the new defaults. If something breaks, revert immediately to the previous theme and check for applications that override system settings. Also make sure display drivers and OS updates are installed. These often fix icon or color glitches. If problems persist, restore from backup or consult support logs.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.